Oh. Okay. Be nice. Be nice to me, okay? Orale! Damn, that's not good. I don't want to do it. Shit, that's not good. That's not a good sign. Oh, hell no. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. It's a bad one. It's a dud. It's a dud. It's a dud. I don't want to risk it. That's just gonna explode or something. Well, let me get the other one. What a bad rocket. What a shame. Bad rocket, bad rocket. We'll try another one. Tell him to leave that one there, Mom. No worries, no worries. Otro, all right. Ahí va. Seguro que sí.